everybody, we're back with JISOO's dance performance, this time of Earthquake. The amount that was shown on the MV, what was shown in the vocal. The album is on Patreon. It's incredible, but let's see if the dance performance can match that outstanding video. And let's see some JISOO magic. JISOO dancing. I really think her dancing's on the right level. It's looking good. Woo.
Oh.
Woo. She got moves. Bro, I love that aesthetic of it. Woo! And he changed to this? Let's go.
Wow. Standing, bro.
Woo! Show us how much good. I hope this has two parts to it. The facial expression. He's a really good with it. How joyful. The carving is beautiful. The hand movements. This makes it move, like look at that. Hip movement. Curly hair. Oh. Oh. This is becoming a trend, like I guarantee you right there. That's just like smooth operator right here. Woo. Wow, excellent man. Wow, that is a beautiful, like,
Bro,
the Korean face right here.
K-pop is so amazing that I actually like the dance performance videos more than the music videos. It's just beautiful, the idea that they have behind doing this kind of stuff. Like with the performance with the backup dancers, it's really, really simple, but it's really, really awesome.
You can see like JISOO's not playing her serious face on. Like how mature, like I want to say like how mature and professional in a way she looked with the dances, the facial expressions.
Yeah.
Like being easy with the eyes and like facial expressions. I love the way it changed, like the choreography 2 or 3 times, and it wasn't something like way too distractive. Just some like purple and blue colors, making it nice so the dance can showcase and her herself can showcase what a great dancer she is. It was beautiful.
yeah, it's beautiful. Like every details, the concept. It's
Put it in like male backup dancers as well and female backup dancers, the angles and everything else.
yeah.
she really put out a nice one for a song as difficult that Earthquake was, since it had like a lot of crazy stuff going on in that beat. She did it justice. Tell us what you think about this performance, and see y'all.